Can a phone plan actually cost less than a fancy coffee and provide solid service? Today, we're diving deep into the world of budget-friendly cellular service and asking the big question, is Mint Mobile's $15 plan worth it? Let's find out, evaluating its value and core features. First off, the data. This plan typically includes a set amount of high-speed data. Check the current offer for precise details, as it can change once you use up your high-speed data. You will usually have slower data speeds, suitable for tasks like email and basic web browsing. Is this enough? That depends on your usage. Casual users, who occasionally browse the web or check emails, might find it sufficient. However, if you're a heavy video streamer or spend a lot of time scrolling through social media, you'll likely burn through that data quickly. Consider your typical monthly data consumption. There are online calculators to help you estimate it. Next up, talk time and texting. The $15 plan often comes with unlimited talk and text in the US. This means you can make and receive calls and send texts without worrying about overage fees. Always verify the specifics of the plan to make sure it meets your calling and texting needs. Evaluate your calling habits. If you're a frequent caller or texter, a plan with unlimited capabilities offers peace of mind. Ultimately, deciding if this plan is right for you depends on your personal needs and budget. Are you a light data user who prioritizes affordability? Or do you need a data-heavy plan and are willing to pay more? Considering the price, features like the ample talk and text, along with the potential savings compared with other major carriers, the Mint Mobile $15 plan could provide tremendous value. Hopefully, this helps you with your buying decision.